Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Pero bago tayo mag-start, meron akong papakita sa inyo. So ito yun, no. Alam nyo si Sir Flashlight Manila. Alam nyo, nag-develop siya nung REM pad style. Pero this time naman, bell yung gamit. Napanood nyo na to no, yung kila Exploring with Josh ginagamit. Pero nag-reverse engineer si Sir Lance ng ganun din. Ngayon iba. Ngayon tinesting niya, nagbigay siya sa akin ng video. Tinesting niya 3 a.m. tumunog. 'Di ba? Inon niya lang din tumunog. So ito yung nangyari. Ito sa kwarto niya to, no. Sa lumang bahay nila. So ito yung bell, no. So panoorin natin yung nangyari. Scary, man. Tingnan niyo.
Putang ina tol, di ko nakunan, tumunog na dalawang beses. Putang ina, magago ka. You know? Fuck.
Cool!
Kamay ngayon. Fuck, nakunan ko. Isa pa nga. Fuck. Tangina, nakunan ko. Shit.
Cool, di ba? Alam mo, mas maganda talaga pag nasa bahay ang haunting, no? Di ba? Kaya, excited akong sana sa world premiere sa world premiere kung gagamitin yan, sana makasama ako eh. Sana magaling na nga ako eh, para makasama din ako pagka tinesting nila yan. Exciting, di ba? ang plano ko kasi, di ba? Halimbawa, nasa gitna yan. Wag na. Baka gayahin ng iba eh. Mamaya may manggaya eh. Di ba? May manggaya sa execution eh. Alam mo naman, may mga gaya-gaya tapos pepekein, di ba? Anyway, doon tayo sa main content natin ngayong gabi. Ito ay yung kay Agassi Ching. Abandoned Goddess Hotel daw. Saan ba to? Sa ibang bansa to? Malaysia ba to? Indonesia? Or basta tingnan nga natin anong
ito noong early 2000s at mahigit 3 taon na itong abandonado. Maliban sa mga entities na naninirahan dito, ay meron isang mahiwagang green room na ginawa para sa isang Indonesian goddess na marami ang nagsasabi na hanggang ngayon ay nakatira at nagbabantay dito. Ito si Nyai Roro Kidul at isa siyang Queen of the Southern Sea. At sabi sa myth ay meron itong kapangyarihan maging mabait o maging mapaghigante sa mga taong may lakas ng loob na bumisita.
Napuna ako dyan nung sa trabaho eh. Ganyan din ako Southern eh. Southern pala yung Southern.
Dito. Ngayong gabi, ikutin namin to ni Steve, lilibutin at gagawa ng paranormal investigation para malaman kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga kababalaghan at misteryo ang kumakalat dito sa Abandoned Goddess Hotel. Maraming instances na nagkakaroon ng unexplainable things na agad.
The shaman is warning me if we go in, it will be very dangerous.
So right behind me, they're doing the ritual.
I hope we are welcome here.
A lot of women with unrecognized faces in the lobby.
They saw? So she's like seeing spirits right now?
Yeah.
I think this is going to be one of the most unforgettable explorations. Holy shit.
Kalabugan din eh, no?
What? What?
Oh.
Ooh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Like a table.
Oh, what the heck?
See? Yeah. How's her footprint all the way up there?
The entity here is angry. Very angry.
It's very angry? Upstairs.
Yo. So kanina pa kami nakakarinig guys ng mga iba't ibang sounds. I don't think we're welcome in here.
Mamaya mag-o-opinion ako ah.
Oh. The guy's literally being possessed. I see this?
Lahat ng ginagawa namin ay pinagpaalam at duman sa tamang proseso. Huwag gagayahin ng mga...
What the f***?
Sobrang daming natural na nangyayari na ngayon guys. Kahit ako hindi ko mapaliwanag, first time na nangyari sa akin yung ganito. Sa sobrang delikado mag-explore sa lugar na to, ay napagdesisyon na namin kumuha ng medium at gumawa muna ng ritual dahil kung hindi, ay magiging mapanganib ang aming exploration. Can you explain why they need to do a ritual?
Just to make sure that all the crew here is safe, because the guardian, the biggest spirit, is the one who inhabited the green room.
The goddess is in the green
Yes.
room. So we need to do the ritual,
The ritual,
first.
because the
Wait.
shaman is
Yung goddess daw, so pinagpapalagay nilang totoo yung deity na nandoon.
telling me if we go
Parang ano doon pangalang red flag number 1 ano. Anyway, pagpatuloy natin.
in before to offer the ritual,
Something
it
bad
will
might
be-
happen.
Yeah, it will be very dangerous.
Ngayon pa lang inuunahan ko na kayo na ito ang pinakadelikado at nakakakilabot na paranormal investigation na nagawa namin. Okay guys, so kakarating lang namin dito sa abandoned hotel and ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na this is one of the biggest hotels na i-explore namin. Sa labas ang itsura niya, overgrown na siya, halatang matagal na siyang abandonado, matagal nang walang pumapasok. At yung mga paintings niya sa labas, medyo okay pa naman, hindi masyadong bakbak, pero alam mo talaga na pinaglumaan na. Ngayon guys, maraming instances pagdating namin dito to shoot B-rolls at ngayon pagkabalik namin na nagkakaroon ng unexplainable things na agad.
Alright, guys, so right behind me, they're doing the ritual. While I was watching them do all of this, I thought Agassi said something behind me, and I turned around really quick, and I'm like, did you say something? It was so weird because it sounded exactly like Agassi, as if he whispered in my ear.
Narinig ni Steve yung boses ko.
I thought you were talking to me.
I was never talking. I was
And I
watching.
looked behind you, you're just like, just watching.
Simula pa lang, marami ng kababalaghan nangyayari. Kanina pa lang, nung pumunta kami nung paggabi pa lang, nagdo-drone shot si Rick pero ayaw gumalaw ng drone. Tapos, habang nasa lobby ako, may naririnig ako mga kumakalampag. Ngayon, we're in the middle of the night. Mas magiging malakas mga presence ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin. At ngayon, kakapasok lang namin sa kalaliman ng gabi. Mag-explore kami. Sumula tayo sa first floor. Medyo malaki tong pwesto na to guys. At medyo may naririnig kami mga hampas-hampas kanina. Hindi ko lang kung makikita niyo pa sa video. Plus, umiiyak kanina yung nagre-ritual. So, hindi ko lang kung bakit may kumakausap na entity before pa kami mag-start. So, sana yung goddess ay makita na maganda naman.
Ako for me lang naman. Mas realistic kung wala na yung mga nagre-ritual, kasi pag sinaman, kasi hindi naman natin madidetermine kung yung mga nagre-ritual na yun ay nagdadrama lang or hindi. Unang-una, hindi naman natin sila kilala. 'Di ba? Anong credibility na meron yun? Hindi naman natin alam yun. Tapos biglang sasabihin, nandun daw yung goddess doon sa... I don't know. Diba? Parang may something na off doon sa ano.
Attention namin. Pasimula pa lang kaming maglibot nito nang may mga nagpaparinig na agad sa amin.
What the? Wait. What the? It's like a door.
Window, I heard something. So itong hotel na to ay may 3 floors at 80 plus na rooms. Dadaanan at... Oh, yeah, I heard that.
Ano daw?
Dadaanan at... Oh, yeah, I heard that.
A shoes or a door, but nobody's.
80 plus na rooms. Dadaanan at...
Yung parang sa basketball, yung gumanon yung sapatos.
May mga 3 kalampag na kami narinig. May mga napapansin.
Baka nandiyan sila Donski, ha?
And
Yo. Hear that? Definitely it's not wind.
I hope we are welcome here. So may medium naman kami kasama ngayon. I think this is gonna be one of the most unforgettable explorations. Yes, oh, another one. Yes, oh, Steve, I keep hearing things.
Me too, just bangs everywhere.
So magsisimula na kami dito sa baba, guys. Ngayon lang kami nakaranas na hindi pa kami nagsisimula pero ang dami nang nagpaparamdam na nagaganap. Pero
Pero ako, nagpipray ako na please, huwag niyo isugal yung credibility niyo sa ganito. Who knows naman kung namimeke sila o hindi, di ba? So far pa naman, wala pa naman ako nakikita indikasyon na yung mga kalabog na yun ay peke. Di ba? Pero please lang, lalo na si Sir Steve Ronin, huwag nyo isusugal yung karir nyo sa ganito. Or maybe yung mga Indonesian dyan maybe lang ito, ano ko lang naman, hindi ko naman sinasabing ganun yung nangyari. Maybe, baka mamaya ang nagkukos nun yung mga taga-Indonesia din lang, na akala naman nila Aga si Ching at ni Steve Ronin totoo. Pero kasi yung mga kalabugan na yan, hindi nyo rin naman kasi ako masisisi. Kasi nga dito sa Pilipinas, rampant yan yung kalabugan na yan. At alam natin na 100% peke yun dito. Parang, kumbaga nagkakaroon lang ako ng trauma. Hindi naman siguro masama yun. Ngayon, kung totoo naman yung nangyayari dito, wala naman ako magagawa. Diba?
Sinumalan pa rin namin itong exploration at hindi kami handa sa mga magaganap ngayong gabi. So, dito makikita niyo yung mga rooms. May mga room numbers siya. This is the first floor. Why is the number 105? So, it means there are 100 rooms?
No, first floor.
First floor, 1-0.
Over the first floor.
Oh, wait, I heard a bang.
Holy shit. Bro.
What? What? Wait. Is it the wind?
Pwede wind, ano?
No, there are many doors that are banging.
May wind ba?
Okay. Keep going.
Ooh. Ooh.
Did you hear that?
Slide.
Yeah.
Table.
It's like, yeah. Table that's being moved.
And it's like it's coming from upstairs.
Mabigat na agad ang pakiramdam namin ng mga oras na to. Pero simula pa lang ito ng pagpaparamdam nila. Kanina pa kami nakakarinig ng mga bangs, mga noises. Ngayon medyo nawala na. Steve, are you good?
I'm good. Yeah, let's take a look.
So, papasok kami sa isang room ngayon kasi pare-pares yung mga itsura ng rooms para lang ma-check natin. So, this is the bathtub and meron siyang studio room, parang one bedroom lang inside. At habang naglilibot kami sa isang kwarto, ay nalaman namin kung bakit nga ba maraming kakaibang pagpaparamdam na nagaganap ngayong gabi.
So today, based on the Balinese traditional calendar, this is a special night where the entity party. This is the Weton night. So there are times where the spirits having a high frequency. So this is the night. So
Yeah, I keep hear banging noises.
they say that there's all
Unreal naman yung kalabugan.
in the lobby.
They saw? So she's like seeing spirits right now? So weird. My battery.
Instantly?
Yeah, I just changed this like a minute ago. Dude, this is weird, bro.
Yeah, bro. Dahil marami nang nakikitang entity ang medium na kasama namin, ay napagdesisyonan namin magbigay ulit ng offering. Okay.
So we'll pray here. It's like so new to me. Like I've never had like this intense explore.
Ever?
Yeah. What do you think? Like
Yeah,
when we
it's
did
my
stuff in
first
the
time.
Philippines, like
Yeah, this is different. Kaso nga lang, habang papunta pa lang kami sa area para mag-abot ng offering, ay
We lost one of the cigarettes. Actually, a cigarette
Seriously?
also for an offer.
what?
we're done with the offer. Okay. They just gave an offering over here.
What is that?
They recommend not using this area.
Okay. So different route.
It's dangerous.
Dangerous, okay.
Bakit may iniingatan silang area doon? Red flag number 2. Mamaya magbibigay ako ng conclusion ko mamaya.
Oh, one of their cigarette? Okay. They got one cigarette. Also, they're getting Steve's battery. It's drained.
Yeah.
The battery.
Sacred daw, sacred yung
5 minutes ago.
One of the side.
cigarette.
Napansin namin na pinaglalaruan na kami, pero tinuloy pa rin namin ang exploration at pumunta na sa pangalawang palapag. Okay guys, kung bakit pipili na iba?
Sinong naglalaro sa inyo, yung spirits o yung mga kasama nyo? Sorry, I'm lost Kasi may tumatakbo din sa isip ko na nag-iisip ako habang nanonood ako.
Route kanina raw, sobrang dangerous daw dumaan doon sa pinag-aanuhan namin kasi nagpaparamdam na yung mga Ngayon, dito kami sa stairs. Akyat. Pero dito sa pangalawang palapag, kung saan nandun ang green room, ay mas naging intense ang pagpaparamdam.
Right, we're
Oh my
down. This is the loudest. Just throwing me rocks. Sit from over there. You got thrown a rock? Are you okay? Did
What?
you?
Are you okay?
Bro, a rock got thrown at him.
Throwing you rock.
I don't think we're welcome in here.
Wala siyang goosebumps eh.
Yeah, where is it?
I smell something talaga dito.
This
The door's
door. This
closing.
door's moving. This door right here.
What? Relax. Deep breath. Water. So ngayon guys, nasa second floor na kami. At may nagbabato daw ng rock kay Billy. Ito yung third floor. At nagpatuloy na kami hanggat sa makaabot na kami sa green room. The room? Oh! So guys, ito na yung green room. Kung saan? Kung saan yung goddess na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Can we come in or no? The most special room in this hotel. Steve, this is the craziest adventure I've been with you.
I know. It is.
It is so crazy, bro.
You see, that's a footprints over there.
Oh, what the heck?
See?
Yeah.
Footprints, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. How is there a footprint all the way up there?
Guys, kung makikita nyo may
Of the
bakat ng
offering.
paa sa taas. Bakit magkakaroon ng bakat ng paa sa taas? This is one of the craziest adventures na I've been with Steve and all of you guys.
The deity, this is the favorite, the flower.
Oh, okay.
Bunga Malati, the jasmine. This is her favorite.
So we're giving a lot of offerings right here, a lot of flowers.
Dito napansin namin na may mga offerings mula sa mga pumunta dito dati.
So it's been a long time
Kanta.
that people not come and visit because it's already dried.
Those were the offerings of other people
Yes,
From a long time ago.
from a long time ago. Okay.
It's been a long time since there was an offering here.
Why do you think no one has been here since after that offering?
No one dares to
Years to
come
come
here.
in, yeah. Sinabihan kami na 2 tao lang at a time ang pwedeng pumasok sa loob.
We can go every 2 person
Okay.
in a matter of respect. And we have to
Take off the shoes. So guys, para makapasok, kailangan tanggalin yung shoes. Tsaka the 2 persons at a time lang. At habang magsisimula pa lang kaming pumasok, ay... Bro, what? Are you...
Kala ko 2 at a time, bakit ano?
I'm hearing
Bakit
water
ang dami nila
sounds.
doon?
Do you hear that?
Yeah, yeah. Heard water sounds. It's like someone's walking
Joy.
with water.
I'm hearing water sounds. Patak-patak ng tubig.
So Billy's inside the room now. He's going first. Then it's gonna be Agassi and Rick, and then me and Rico after. Dude,
This is crazy,
I
bro.
keep hearing like whispers, like such a weird noise.
Yeah.
You hear it too?
So guys, ito na tayo sa loob ng green room. And may ginagawa silang ritual. Oh, nice.
Ano yung buhok?
Are you okay?
Kala ko dalawa lang.
Are you okay? May mga iba't ibang offerings.
Wow, she's crying.
sad because it's abandoned.
Yeah.
Ba't alam na agad nung kasamahan nila na
Because nobody's take a picture. Because I have tissue.
I don't have tissues with me. That was the loudest one.
Dito sa loob ng green room ay punong-puno ng mga alay mula sa bulaklak, damit, pera, at meron pang tunay na buhok ng tao. Inalay, totoong buhok. Mga offerings yan. Ito yung itsura ng room, guys. I'm gonna go out now while they're doing their ritual.
Yo. Dude. I'm hearing water. You hear water? Oh my god, it's getting so intense right now.
Okay, ready?
Ready, Rico? Read out. Shoot. Yep.
Yes.
Oh, what the? It's coming from upstairs.
I hear footstep. Come here, come here.
Holy crap. Guys. Shh, something's walking upstairs.
Language.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, Steve, go inside.
At habang nangyayari ang lahat ng ito ay nahirapan akong huminga katulad ng naramdaman ko sa Cresta del Mar. Wait 1 second.
confined kasi kayo eh.
I'm having a hard time breathing eh.
Yo, what's that? Someone's singing.
Yeah, it sounds like
Oh,
a
yeah.
child singing. So I'm going inside next. The presence just keeps getting stronger and stronger now as the hours go by.
Sheesh.
I'm a bit curious.
And there's water.
It's water, it's footstep, and
Actually, I'm having a hard time breathing right now. Medyo mabigat yung paghinga ko ngayon eh.
Take a drink.
So kanina pa kami nakakarinig guys ng mga iba't ibang sounds. That's a girl.
That's a long one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ito pinaka-intense na nangyari lahat sa lahat ng exploration namin guys. Naririnig mo yun? Sakit na dito ko, Choy. It's suddenly cold. Naglulumamig. Yeah, it's suddenly cold here.
After he's asking for permission and protection.
Are you okay? Are you okay? It's so weird that's happening. Is this normal? No. It's not normal? Sobrang bigat na ng pakiramdam dito at sinasabihan na kami na hindi na safe magstay dahil sa mga nangyayari sa paligid. Narinig mo yan?
Papa said he cannot stay.
We cannot stay?
Pwede na tayo umalis.
He is like become weak.
Okay.
He asked us to wait.
Kaya dito ay may ginawa silang sacred chant at offering na wala kaming masamang intensyon sa lugar na to.
That's a sacred chanting. Usually it gives positive
Energy. Okay.
So he put it. Gusto saw that door open by itself.
Yeah, down this hallway.
Now this one.
Yeah.
So sobrang daming unnatural na nangyayari na ngayon guys. Kahit ako hindi ko mapailawan.
Sino kaya itong kakulab nila na to? Interested ako dito sa kakulab nila eh.
Pero tutuloy pa rin natin. Papansin niyo yung mga
Wait lang ah.
floors niya basag-basag na. At yung sa taas niya parang may mga wire.
I have nothing against Agassi Cheng at Steve Ronin. Pero yung reputation ng mga Indonesian ghost hunter, mas malala pa sa Mindanao minsan eh. Try nyo mag-search ng ng mga Indonesian ghost hunter.
Nakikita mo.
Wala lang mamaya
At sira-sira na rin yung mga ilaw. So matagal na talaga siyang abandonado. Kaya na pamilig sa slam na door guys, hindi ako masyado makapag-concentrate. At saka medyo mabigat na yung paghinga ko. Pero nag-ritual sila and nag-chant to ask for protection. But still may mga doors pa rin na gumagalaw-galaw. What are you doing, Steve? Dalawang beses na naubos yung battery na camera ni Steve, which is very weird. This drain?
Drain faster than
Oh my gosh.
Another camera that's been drained. So far, I'm running out of batteries like crazy. The batteries only seem to last for like a good 20 minutes until I have to like switch it again.
What's the usual lifespan of the battery?
Like 4 hours.
And it's the second battery that died.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And this is not the right.
Oo, matagal talaga yung DJI na yan.
We visited the wrong
Ganyan din ang camera ko eh.
So maybe they don't want us here.
Yeah.
This is the night where the high
Pero madali daw na low bat.
spirit.
Like a spirit party.
One way's like so active, bro.
Super
The
active.
most active I've ever been in a
Me
building.
too. Can you feel that?
I thought I heard something.
No, I felt something. Like a cold wind.
I can feel it. I can feel it.
Look at goosebumps.
My boy Rico's getting goosebumps.
Whoa. I felt it, bro, in my face. Maybe we're not invited, bro.
I don't feel welcome here. Maybe that's why there's so many loud bangs, and
Yeah.
that's why someone's cigarette disappeared.
So what's our plan?
We're waiting for the prayer, and after that, if you guys still brave enough to go upstairs, then we go upstairs.
Upstairs is where the girl's singing.
The girl
And the kids.
steps, the water.
Everything is in the...
Maybe you won't like the investigation.
Parang
That was the strongest one.
Maybe it doesn't want us to go up there. That's why there's so
Yeah.
many loud bangs.
Yeah, it's like
upstairs.
preventing us.
Like trying to scare us away.
Pagkalabas ng medium ay in-interview namin kung bakit napakalala ang mga pangyayari
Hindi na
ngayong
sila
gabi.
tumuloy.
Oh, so the spirit was surprised because after a long time, there's people come here. It's like a surprise. It's like a doorknob being open, right?
Yeah.
I get that.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Jadi ini sebenarnya gangguannya dari mana?
Jadi yang ada di sini marah,
The entity here is angry,
marah sekali.
very angry,
Doesn't like us here.
Karena sebelumnya ada kejadian yang tidak mengenakan.
because there's something happened here,
Ada kejadian tidak mengenakan yang mungkin membuat sudah
something really bad that makes it angry.
susah untuk dijelaskan.
It's
Tapi
really hard to explain. Kedatangan kita nggak mengganggu. Udah bilang ya, kamu bilang ya.
Udah.
Yeah, he said that. He said to the entity that we're not doing anything, any harm.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Jadi yang beristana di sini
The one who control here,
yang kita sebut dengan Bunda,
they call it the mother.
Kanjeng
Bunda
Ratu.
is the Nyai.
Oh.
Yeah, and then,
Beliau sudah berpulang dan yang ada di sini cuman sedahan atau selir-selir.
Forward nga natin,
so
forward
the
natin.
mother, the Nyai, is already gone. The one who inhabit here is her lower. You know, when a princess, there's a princess, and then the lower lady. What is it called?
Lower member.
Lower
Lower member.
member of the lady.
Jadi beliau pulang dan menugaskan penjaganya untuk menjaga di sini.
Also, the mother, the Nyai, asked the lower member to protect this place. So it's not the lady,
Okay.
but the lower member.
So it's very angry at us?
Dia marah ke kita.
Enggak,
Enggak.
cuman menunjukkan bahwa mereka ada di sini dan berharap kita tuh takut untuk
Oh,
tidak
okay.
di sini.
So they're not angry. They just do that thing only to show that they are here. Not for scaring us. They just want us to know that they are here.
Okay.
Okay, that's yeah.
That's relieving.
Well, okay, so that's good. We're welcome here then.
We're welcome then.
Yeah, it depends on how we react. You're scared or you feel okay with that.
Yeah, so we just can't be scared, and then we'll be fine.
Mungkin ada yang melapor kepada beliau, kepada Bunda.
Oh, okay. Terus?
Jadi kita nunggu izin dulu.
Oh, okay. So the reason why we have to wait for 2 minutes because this lower member is reporting to the mother, so they're waiting for the response of the mother about our existence in here.
I see.
So we need another 2 minutes.
No problem.
Okay.
Kaso nung pagbalik ng medium para tapusin ang ritual, ay nakaramdam kami ng ibang presensya na para bang iba na ang kasama namin. Why?
Yeah, and
He's laughing. The guy. He was laughing.
I saw that.
He was laughing. He was laughing earlier.
Oh,
It's not okay.
He was laughing. He was smiling at me.
dude, I saw.
Diba? Oh, footsteps.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally above us right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's moving.
Hello?
This is the craziest, bro.
I wasn't kidding, bro, that when I told you that Indonesia's very haunted. I wasn't joking.
I know. At dito, naranasan namin ang pinaka nakakakilabot na pangyayari sa buong paranormal investigation namin. Panoorin mabuti ang mga susunod na pangyayari.
Oh, wait, I see something. I saw something move. What was that? What was that? Bro, the guy's literally getting possessed. Can I see this? What the f?
What's happening?
Pintar ba ang mariki?
Itu cuman kadang mandungin mantan di situasi ini itu nabi kan.
Yoga mariki sampai kami bukan sampai kami untuk.
Di sini semua sudah pulang.
Udah pulang. Nanging alit pada rencana Riki, kampung Riki, macam cingakin dan jak memang saya mau Riki.
Masih di sini.
Parang may kilala akong ganyan ah.
Asking for this. I will translate later.
Yeah, yeah.
Translate.
Yep, I think I get what's going on though.
Even idea, Steve?
He's possessed.
Yeah.
Ano yan? Possessed yan? Paano, wait lang ah, paano binigay yung sigarilyo?
Yeah.
He's possessed.
Yeah.
Lang ah, may si Olivia kasi sa usos.
Yeah.
Hindi pinakita kung paano binigay yung sigarilyo. Magkakaroon tayo ng clue kasi doon kung possession o hindi eh. Kasi for me, hindi possession to. Steady lang siya eh. Ingat na ingat din siya pating maglabas ng dito possessed.
Uy! Oh, Steve.
Ampun.
Iya, ampun. Hindi. Semua kendala.
Fake pati yung tawa.
There's someone shouting.
What happened? Wait, go.
Can't you hear that? Before that, someone's crying.
Dude, you won't believe what I saw in there. They offered him a cigarette.
Yeah.
He puffed a cigarette, but not like an ordinary person. He puffed it like 10 times, one single hit.
Nagagawa ng mga ano yan.
You got
He
it?
turned it around, put it in his mouth, the burning part.
Ingat na ingat nga siya eh, oh.
After that, there was some crying.
Siya possessed.
Yeah, I think
That's too much.
that's enough for the night.
Matapos nung nakakakilabot na pangyayari, ay nautusan kami ng nasaniban na kumain ng bulaklak para sa protection namin.
Kind of a protection.
Okay.
Eat the flower?
Watch it. Just swallow it.
Let's do it.
Swallow
Is it
it.
Just to protect us. It's safe?
Is this safe?
But yeah, the flower is
Yeah.
edible.
Where is taste?
Very bitter.
Dito ay ipinaliwanag ni Billy ang mga nangyari.
The reason why he is possessed because the entity that possessed Baba say that it's a warning for us not to do something disrespectful actions, and also so the lower lady and also another entity that might be mischievous. Yes, also children spirits. Just don't do anything disrespectful. So we got the permission, but just behave.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. That's it.
So, yun guys. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa 3rd floor. Sa last floor ng hotel na to. A lot has been happening. Yung mga protection kami, nilagyan kami ng mga bulaklak. At matapos makuha ang permission at protection, ay tumuloy na kami sa 3rd floor.
Which is nakababa na yung mga nag-iingay dyan.
May mga ibang rooms na may mga susi. May mga ibang room na wala. Earlier when we were down, Steve,
Dito na nagkakaroon ng problem eh.
Yeah.
May mga ibang room na may susi, may mga ibang room na wala na. So ibig sabihin nakalock yung iba na room. Weird.
to there.
And they weren't ordinary footsteps.
They weren't
had, like,
ordinary.
It sounded like wet. Like their
Wet,
feet were
yeah,
wet.
and we were hearing water drops.
Yeah.
Nakakamangha kasi nung pagpunta namin sa final floor, ay nabawasan na ang mga pagpaparamdam at pagpaparinig.
Now that we're here, there's no band.
Yeah. I hear it again. Is it raining?
Wait.
Like droplets. But it's not wet. Can you hear that? Can you hear that, Steve?
Yeah, I can hear it, but it's not rain.
What is that?
Baka may leak lang or something.
Kahit nakakakilabot pa rin siya, ay hindi na siya kasing intense nung nasa una.
Kasi nandiyan na kayo eh.
Kami.
Tago na yung mga ano eh.
It's not that.
It's not that
Yeah.
heavy, right? It's
Yeah,
not
it's
as heavy
so
as
weird.
last time. It's like whatever was here is like gone.
Gone. Yeah, same. I didn't feel.
Is it the effect of the protection?
Or before what the kid did.
Mutya.
Yeah, is it the protection or it just only affect for the second floor because it has the special room?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking that, or maybe everything calmed after we did the
Either or.
ceremony.
Yeah.
Because after we did the whole ceremony and I ate the thing and he put the flower on us,
There's less
everything is,
occurrence.
nothing's happening anymore.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Maybe he's not angry.
Maybe we got permission.
Yeah, I think we made it happier.
Okay, so guys, ang ina-explain nila, nung nasa second floor kami, nakita nyo naman, narinig nyo, ang daming kakaibang nangyayari. Pero after nung ginawa yung ritual, di nung pag-akit namin sa third floor, this was supposed to be the most scariest floor. Pero wala. Very minimal lang. Meron pero very minimal. So naisip namin either nasa second floor lahat kasi nandun yung green room, or after ginawa
Or iniwasan lang kayo dahil nagtago na sila.
We already got the permission.
At matapos ng final floor ng hotel, ay nilibot na rin namin ang pinakamalaking room at tuluyan ng tinapos ang investigation sa gabing ito. Na-explore na namin lahat from first floor to third floor of this abandoned goddess hotel. And what we can say is that sobrang unexplainable and this is the most intense that... Yeah. When we were starting, we've been hearing a lot of noises. But ever since that, we did the ritual, the cigarette eating, the possession. So many things have happened. But after that, everything stopped. Now, it's much more calmer.
Yeah.
And we decided not to do the ghost recruitments because may mga kasama kami
Yun ang hinihintay ko
medium na kaya nila may pag-usap.
Something new and fresh that they haven't seen before.
Yeah. And we haven't seen before.
Yeah. I was not expecting this day to happen like this.
But
Kahit EMF reader man lang sana, no? Para ma-verify. Kasi ito yung sinasabi namin minsan na may mga medium nga kayong kasama, malay namin kung peke lang yun. As an audience kasi, magsisik kami na medyo solid. 'Di ba? Kung naglabas kayo ng EMF meter, malalaman namin talagang active do sa lugar.
it's one for the books and definitely one of our memorable investigations.
Bro, which is more intense? The Tacloban ghost town or
For
this
sure,
one?
this one. The Tacloban, we weren't hearing any noises. Here, we felt like at first they were angry at us. But then we felt that after everything, they calmed down. Like now, we are not feeling anything. We're not hearing
I feel
anything.
very peaceful right
Yeah.
now.
Sobrang kakaiba yung feeling, guys. Ang hirap i-explain through the camera, pero it's really mind-blowing what happened here tonight. And I guess that is it for this video. Again, subscribe to my boy Steve and Billy. We wouldn't be here without Billy, so thank you, Billy.
Tingnan nga natin tong channel ng Billy na yun. Duda ako dito sa Billy na to eh. Tingnan na, may link ba? Ano talaga, yung sa sobrang dami ng kalabugan na ganun, ano eh, wala talaga min eh. Hindi ko kayang ano eh. May hinahanap lang akong comment dito. May ano dito men, may something na mali dito sa video na to. Yung umakyat na sila biglang nawala. Ganun ka ano? May pinoint si Sir dito ba sa review yung ano, yung comment na inano mo? Tingnan ko nga. Yung comment na shinare mo. Kasi parang may mali talaga min doon sa video eh. Yung may mga ibang door na wala daw susi sa taas. So, ibig sabihin, locked yun. Diba? Sabing ganun dito sa isang comment, no? Feeling ko may kasabot yung mga Thai. Hindi Thai, Indonesian niya. Ano ba? Thailand ba to? Indonesia? Wait lang, ano ba to? Indonesian ba o Thai? Feeling ko may kasabot yung mga Thai sa third floor. Biglang nakalak yung ibang room sa taas. Oh, ito rin yung napansin ko kanina. Tama-tama. Diba? Tapos natigil yung kalabog. Feeling ko lang naman. Ganyan din naisip ko, diba? Biglang nakalak. Ibig sabihin may nagtatago doon. Oo. Hindi, ito ha. Gusto kong hugasan ng kamay sila Agassi Cheng at Steve Ronin. Maybe, halimbawa kung ako din ang nandoon sa lugar na yun, maybe mapaniwala din ako. Pero pagka, katulad doon, ito kasi yung tinatawag na auditing eh. Ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng tao. Sinasabi kasi ng mga tao, hindi ka naniniwala, sumama ka doon. Kapag sumama ako doon, may possibilities na maniwala ako. Kasi may experience ko eh. Kumbaga, lulunurin ako ng takot ko, ng pagiging bias ko dahil nandun ako doon sa lugar. Pero pag wala ako doon sa lugar at napanood ko third party, yung ano, ako kasi magiging auditor eh. Mau-audit ko eh. Katulad nung sinabi, parehas kami nung hinala doon sa taas. Yung pag-akyat nila ng third floor, biglang may mga room na nakalak na hindi na mabuksan. Pwede kasing doon nagtago yung mga kumakalabog doon sa taas eh. At natigil na yung kalabog sa taas. 'Di ba? May point, 'di ba? May point yung ano na 'yon. Pero hinuhugasan ko ng kamay sila Agassi Cheng at Steve Ronin. Malay mo, pwede rin naman kasing mangyari na yung pagpunta nila doon eh planado, no? Parang pinagplanuhan na yung pagpunta nila doon na hindi nila alam. Siyempre mangyari din sa akin 'yan. Maybe ano pa kasi yung pagkakalabog-kalabog na 'yon, unrealistic na talaga 'yun min eh. I'm so sorry ha sa mga naniwala dito sa video na to. For me, titingnan ko tong Billy na to. Billy Ghost Hunter. Pag ito ay may pamimimaking video, ano ba yung channel nito? Billy Ghost Indonesia. Wait, Thailand ba yan o Indonesia? May channel yung di ba? Hindi kasi ilagyan ng link. Ano ba yung channel nung ano? Tingnan nga natin, ano ba lugar to? Anong lugar to? Indonesian ba o ano? Sino yung Billy na yun? Bali, Indonesia nga.
ito ang isa sa
Bali, Indonesia. Ano sinasabing Thai? Siguro nagkamali lang yung nag-comment na yun. Tingnan natin yung Billy. Si Billy yung name, Indonesian. Gusto mo makita ibang video nun? Kasi ang daming fake na na video ang Indonesian ghost hunter eh. Ayan tingnan mo yung mga itsura. No mga may mga demonyo pa nga na thumbnail pa lang peking-peke na eh. Ayan yung mga ganyan. Kaya lang hindi ko kilala ko sino yung Billy na yon. Sino ba yung Billy na yon? Baka sa ibang video ni Aga si Cheng pinakilala siya. Tingnan nga natin. Indonesia. Baka nandito din yung si Billy.
Nakatawid na kami. Ito na yung giant pool.
Maybe this is where the kid drowned. I don't know. It sounds almost like a baby crying.
Pero may narinig akong umiyak. Kanina may narinig ako sa'yo.
Steve, I noticed something. Something passed by me.
Oh,
Actually,
seriously?
I did too. I saw it.
You saw a shadow?
Si Billy yun yan. Sana ma-shoutout ba ang channel nito?
Gosh.
Tingnan natin yung channel.
Alam niyo yung mga places dito.
What's up, gang?
Billy is from Indonesia.
Billy
Alam niyo yung
Christian.
places dito.
Billy Christian. Tingnan natin. Billy Christian. So, ito. Hindi siya ghost hunter. Ghost hunter ba siya?
Nggak ada yang pengen apa jalan bareng kita?
Oke.
Kalau ini
Yuk, kiri.
Tingnan ko yung pag-aaralan ko muna to Billy na to. Pag may pamimeke na ginawa to. Anyway, mga kababayan ko, pakitip nga sa akin pero papanoorin ko yung video nitong Billy na to. Kasi parang for me talaga, wala eh. Masyadong too good to be true too good to be true yung nangyari. Hindi kayo naniniwala kayo? I'm so sorry, ako hindi. Pag-akyat nila doon sa third floor kung saan sobrang ingay, biglang nawala yung kalabugan at may mga nakalak na pinto. What does it say to you, man? Di ba? Anyway, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.